So good morning my dear students. I hope that you all are safe and fine. Today in English grammar class, I am going to start chapter number 12, sentences and transformation of sentences. In this chapter, we are going to study about the transformation of sentences. As you know that the transformation of sentences can be from one type of sentence to the other type of sentence. Just like we are having different kinds of sentences. From assertive sentences to exclamatory sentences, or from imperative sentences to exclamatory sentences, or from exclamatory sentences to assertive sentences. These are also known as transformation of sentences. But in your this chapter number 12, you have to learn about transforming from simple sentence to compound sentence and complex sentence. So accordingly, we are going to study about, as you know, the simple sentences. These are the declarative or assertive type of sentences. So we are going to study or learn about through this video about what is compound sentence and what is complex sentence. What are the rules and different regulations are there to change the simple sentences into compound or complex. So let's start studying this transformation of sentences from simple to compound and complex sentence. Transformation of sentences. So here the first question is, what is a compound sentence? As you know, the simple sentences, these are assertive or positive sentences. A compound sentence has at least two independent clauses that have related ideas. The independent clauses can be joined by a coordinating conjunction, just like, for example, coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, etc. Or by a semicolon, as you can see in the compound sentence examples. Just like one example is given here. The soup was cold and I warmed it in the microwave. Here, these two parts of sentence are joined by the conjunction and. And is a coordinating conjunction word. Each part contains a subject and predicate of its own. Each part is what we can call a clause. Each clause makes good sense by itself as a separate sentence. So here both part of the sentence are making its meaning clearly. And that is why these are independent clause which do not have the need for the other part of the sentence. So always remember that in compound sentence, two independent clauses are used together and they are joined by the help of coordinating conjunction. Second, when we talk about, that is a complex sentence. In other hand, a complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, but a dependent clause, even though it has a subject and a verb, cannot stand alone. So, this is only the difference between a compound and a complex sentence. So always keep in your mind that a compound sentence has two independent clauses and a complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. As an example of complex sentence, when the night fell, the stars appeared in the sky. This sentence has two parts. The stars appeared in the sky. This is independent clause and this is making good sense by itself. On the other hand, if you see the second part of the sentence, when the night fell, this part cannot stand by itself and not making a good sense. It is dependent on the clause. The other part of the sentence, the stars appeared in the sky. So by the second part only, it is making complete sense that when the night fell, the stars appeared in the sky. So this is only known as transformation of the sentences. Whenever we are changing from simple to compound sentence, always remember that two independent clauses should be there and that are joined together with the help of coordinating conjunction or any type of semicolons. On the other hand, whenever we are changing from simple to complex sentence, always remember that there should be one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses are there and that are joined together as to make good sense or complete sense. So this is all about your chapter that you have to go through. I hope that you all have understood well and going to revise it. Thank you. God bless you and take care.